Oh. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So I decided to make this wonderful bath bombs inspired by Dora. I will leave her YouTube channel down below in the description. So as you know, I'm just taking the normal ingredients. I'm taking baking soda, I'm taking citric acid, and I will leave the recipe down below in the description box. The next ingredient, I am taking Kokum Butter. I decided to take Kokum Butter because it is one of the hardest butters at all. It's even harder than the cocoa butter because I was using cocoa butter instead, but this time I decided to use Kokum Butter. It's really very hard. Cream of tartar, tapioca starch. You can also take cornstarch. Normally I use cornstarch. This time I decided to use tapioca starch because I had it, and I also made some colorful and vibrant salts. This idea was also from Dora, and I love her bath bombs. She is just genius. Epsom salts, this is the order which I've got from the soap kitchen. I'm using witch hazel, and I also brought the alcohol. This is 96% ethanol, so alcohol. And I'm using today sweet caramel. This is a fragrance oil. Normally I use essential oils, but be always careful with essential oils and fragrance oils. Read the instructions on an FDA webpage or the webpage of your country. So I'm showing here the Softfeel PP. This is the emulsifier. This is EcoCERT certified, and as an organic skincare formulator, I just always purchase EcoCERT certified ingredients. Well, I try at least like 99% of the cases. I do purchase organic. This is the witch hazel. I melted all the butters and the ingredients which I had, like cocoa butter. I took still 5 grams of cocoa butter, distilled water, not distilled water, witch hazel, and I'm mixing this ingredient. The first ingredient was baking soda, then I added Epsom salts, then I added starch, tapioca starch, cream of tartar, and started mixing. You have to mix it really well. You can use KitchenAid or whatever you have at home, but I'm doing it always with hands because I can feel it better, I guess, and I'm always using the protection gloves. So as the last ingredient, I'm adding the citric acid, and when it's keeping its shape and you can plate food well like me, then this is ready. This idea also I got from Dora. Her name is Dora. And then I'm tapping here, tapping because it's not coming out. I should have taken the spoon because it hurts tapping on that. And these forms I got from, these molds are from Amazon. You can buy them everywhere. So I'm pressing them pretty hard in the mold. I just didn't show it very detailed now, but I'm pressing them not too hard, but they are not loose. They are not loose. I'm pressing them so really hard. This is my second bath bombs, and oh, I've forgotten to mention that these are the presents. I'm not selling anything. I don't have my LLC yet, and I'm planning to start my organic skincare, but I haven't started yet, and I'm not going to sell bath bombs. These are just for my friends and for my relatives and for my neighbors. Well, you know, there are lots of people I would love to give presents for the Christmas because this is what I love so much. This idea I use always. This idea I also got from other YouTubers, and there are some people they are using coconut butter, coconut oil. I don't like coconut oil because it melts when it's too warm, and in this case I also took cocoa butter. I melted it and I'm just gluing the salts to the bath bomb. And I know that Dora, she is using cocoa butter and melt and pour. but I decided not to make melting pour this time, though sometimes I do use that as well. But the problem with this glue is that it's getting cold so fast. It's cooling down like, I don't know, immediately. I think you can see here, but that it's already cooled down. It's pretty much cooled down, and I'm struggling to get it out and pour on my bath bomb. But I think they are pretty amazing, these bath bombs. And well, I like the idea of making these Geode Bath bombs, and you will see the results at the end. I don't know why it's so foamy, why it turned out so foamy. I've been making bath bombs for around 8 years now. Well, not professionally, not for sales, just for family members and friends, but never ever had I such experience like this time. It was amazing. I was like, wow, I was lost, and then I got hold of the towel, and oh god, it was everywhere. You will see now it's and what has happened, and if anyone knows the reason for that, could you please tell me what could be the reason for such a foamy bath bomb? This is mica, and like everyone else, I'm also using it like in alcohol, 96% alcohol, ethanol, and mica. And this brush is just some lip brush, I guess, for lips, for lipsticks from PH Cosmetics. Well, I'm not sure, but I'm not using it for the lips. I decided to use it for my bath bombs. And here I want to show you that the salts are holding really very hard, and they're not going anywhere, as Dora said in her video. I want to try making this glue with melt and pour, but you know, when I'm making melt and pour soap, they are getting cooled down so fast that I decided just to use this time cocoa butter, though well, it was not better. And I like the process of painting, guys. It's amazing, it's amazing. I'm waiting for my order from easycolors.com, I guess, or .co.uk, or now easycolors.com. I watched a video from Eden Secret, I guess, and she had those colors, and she was just amazed how vibrant they are. And I've also ordered micas. I do have glitters here, but I don't use these glitters because they are not eco-friendly glitters, and I want to use something which will not damage our oceans and our waters. That's why I'm not using any glitter here. And I wanted to order eco glitter from Amazon, but then I found eco glitters on easycolors.com. I guess it's .com or .co.uk, I'm not sure, but I'm expecting this order. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow, and I'm so excited. I guess I've ordered just one glitter, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I don't know. Anyway, I've ordered so many dyes and pigments. Micas, I do have micas, so I didn't order micas. And here I am starting to paint the second one, the pink one. And in total, I got 3 bath bombs and 1 heart. But that heart is not that pretty because it was the rest of the powder what was left there, so I decided not to throw it away, not to dispose it. Normally I'm just playing with it. I like the bubbly and foamy effect. And these two, they are designed for my sister. I'm going to give them to her because they are pretty amazing. I think it's like the first time I tried geode bombs. Normally I'm doing like surprise colorful bath bombs and bath bombs with foaming soap. No, it's not called foaming soap, it's called foaming bath butter on top, and they're also pretty good. But these geode bombs I tried for the first time and I liked it. They are cool, they are beautiful. It's just a great present, like DIY present for the significant people, I think. And these two are the present, so I'm not going to use any of those for my test, for my demo. And I decided to take the ugliest one because this one was ugly, and I decided to make it so. Now let's watch what happens. Oh, 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 oh,